Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Iran's hidden gems on a road trip. Let's see if I can uncover some amazing places along the way. Iran, a country with a rich history dating back thousands of years, a land of stunning landscapes, and a culture that's unlike anywhere else in the world. Who wouldn't want to embark on a road trip adventure to discover its many hidden gems? For many of us, the idea of traveling to Iran might seem daunting, and it's not uncommon to hear people expressing concerns about safety or the lack of information available. In fact, some might assume that Iran is a closed-off country, inaccessible to tourism. But is that really the case? Does the media's portrayal of Iran match the reality on the ground? I've spoken to many travelers who've been to Iran, and the overwhelming consensus is that the country is not only safe but also incredibly welcoming. One of the biggest hurdles travelers face when planning a trip to Iran is the lack of information available. Many guidebooks are outdated, and online resources are limited, making it difficult to know where to start. Then, of course, there's the misconception that Iran is a strict, conservative country, where Western tourists won't feel at ease. But let me tell you, my experience was quite the opposite. I found that Iranians are some of the friendliest, most hospitable people I've ever met. They're eager to share their culture, their food, and their way of life with visitors. And when it comes to safety, I can confidently say that I never once felt threatened or uneasy during my entire trip. Imagine winding roads that cut through rugged mountains, picturesque villages perched on hilltops, and ancient ruins that whisper secrets of the past. Iran is a visual feast, and I'm excited to take you on a journey to some of the most breathtaking destinations. From the majestic Lake of Urmia to the beautiful city of Yazd, every turn reveals a new surprise. In Yazd, I discovered the ancient art of adobe architecture, where buildings seem to rise from the desert landscape like giants. And in the city of Kerman, I marveled at the stunning Mosque of Jain, its intricate tilework shimmering like a kaleidoscope of colors. But it's not just the landscapes that make Iran so special, it's the people, too. Like the kind-hearted villagers who invited me to share a meal with them, or the locals who offered me a warm smile and a gentle salam as I wandered through the bustling bazaars. One experience that still takes my breath away is a sunrise I witnessed at a mountain pass in the Alborz range. The sky was ablaze with hues of pink and orange, and the air was crisp and clean. It was as if the entire world had come alive, and I felt grateful to be a part of it. There was also the time I got lost in the ancient city of Persepolis, stumbling upon hidden corners and secret passageways that few tourists ever get to see. And the endless cups of steaming hot tea I shared with locals, listening to their stories and learning about their way of life. As I reflect on my road trip through Iran, I'm reminded of the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. From the towering mountains to the tranquil deserts, every moment was a reminder that there's so much more to Iran than what we see in the news. So, if you're thinking of traveling to Iran, I hope this video has inspired you to take the leap. And if you've been to Iran before, I'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures and tips on exploring Iran.